think similarly when you start your career,
Yeah.
When I mentor young engineers as well, is I always try to give the advice of build your technical base. Guys get enticed into becoming team leads and getting the titles after 3 years or very early on in their career. And I've always said that if you focus your first 5 years of your career really on building your technical base, nobody can take that away from you.
Yeah.
I mean, the only tree that can grow tall is the one that's got a solid root system.
Yeah.
If your base is not solid and broad and heavy, then if you grow too quickly and you tend to fall over.
Yeah, I see.
A lot easier.
Yeah, a lot easier.
And I've seen that in my 31 years where people have kind of shot for the opportunities and they move very quickly and they somewhere get lost.